We're excited to share some feature updates for MaxUp TRACE from Lone Star Analysis. This is version 0.3. MaxUp TRACE has always isolated maneuvers and detected them from flight data alone. What we've added with this release is the ability to do that all in real time. So MaxUp Trace has the now optional feature to look at data streams as they are occurring. This could be coming off of flight simulator or VR data sets. It is going to start to detect activity in real time from that data, be able to detect the beginning and the end of maneuvers as they are happening. So you can see the event playing out in front of you in real time. We're keying off some of the key variables up at the top. When Trace is going to detect the end of a maneuver, it's automatically going to try to classify that against the examples that it has been provided. This did not require any human in the loop to detect or to say, here's the start, here's the end of that event. It is detecting that all on the fly by itself. What it's doing after that is trying to assess for performance. So it's providing an assessment of that occurrence of the maneuver versus all of the examples of good that it has seen in the past. It's providing that feedback almost immediately to the instructor or to the student if an instructor is not available. So we think this is a fantastic capability when events are occurring, when instructor isn't available, or you got a VR rehearsal before a simulator event or a live event in the aircraft. This provides a lot of directional feedback on how the maneuver was performed and what to do about it if the performance was not up to par. So this is quite a kind of a big step change in the ability to do this in real time. This is pulling off of data streams as in native formats. So CSV, TISP data is generally supported. So this does not require any hardware modification, but is purely a software add-on to improve the capability of that training system. Right now, this example is purely pulling off of kind of telemetry data. This is wired to be data only and perform off of any set of data. So now you can see, you can key into any one of those maneuvers that were isolated. You can see the multiple data channels that came through, how they were rated for importance and how well they were performing individually and how that rolled up. You can see that we just took a simple example of feedback, and we can also hook into an LLM API. So if that's available, you can get a more detailed AI debrief that can give a little more insight into what to do better and how to correct the action if it was performed under an excellent rating. So all of these capabilities to do maneuver assessment are available both in real-time mode and the previous post-flight debrief mode, as you can see. So you can flip between different sessions. You can see if you're doing this after the fact, after the event has occurred. You can do all of that same maneuver analysis, get all of the same debrief feedback both on a maneuver level and at an overall event level. This extends to batch analysis, so if you want to run through and do multiple flights at a time, you can get all of the same analysis. So we think that this ability to give debrief and actionable feedback is where training is going, and we think is a big unlock for MaxUp Trace. So this is built for to be data agnostic, built for any sort of flight platforms, whether that be UAVs, ground vehicles, and is extensible to multiple data sets. So if you aren't already getting automated insights out of your event logs, you need to be trying Trace. Call us to get a trial set up.